Now here's the family Gard model number FG1000C Smoke Detector with escape light. As you may have noticed now that there's two 9-volt batteries. That's because one's for the circuit and the other one for the flashlight itself. Well, the escape light to be exact. Here's a closer look at the sticker. As you see here. Here's some of the molded text in here. And as you see, the escape light right here. And your test button. When you test it, or when, on a real smoke condition, the escape light will go on with the alarm sound. It will not flash, but it will remain steady on, as you will see right now. Now I'm going to test it with real smoke to show you how sensitive it is to smoke. As you see, it still works, despite for being a 1990 smoke detector. And also, you may notice, it does a slower 4/6 pattern than my other two smoke detectors, which is, has a faster one. As you see, the insides of the circuit right here, there's your pieza whore, there's your ionization chamber, and here's your escape light. Now, when the bulb burns out, I am planning to replace it with an LED bulb. That way the battery can last a little longer. Anyways, that's my family Gard smoke detector. Thanks for watching.